Soon after buying his mum a swanky phone, gospel singer Willy Paul posted a photo chilling with a caption that read how proud he was. He had surprised her with such a wonderful gift. And while through it was over, KOT had taken it to social media to try what is hashtag Willy Paul challenge, the most hilarious way. I guess we have no chills when it comes to Willy Pose. No? Now, let's go through the different and hilarious memes from KOT and basically some of what people had to post on the Willy Paul challenge. And as we look at, some of the memes that came through, your comments on Willy Paul just seems to be on a roll, negatively speaking.
I think Willy Paul is just a showbiz star. He's the kind of person who will just do something innocently. I'm sure he just thought, by the way, this is a Samsung S8. Let me tell the people I bought my mama phone. And then he just posts, and out of nowhere, people just make it look so big. Okay, I don't know.
I don't know if he learns from Jack Ma, because he seems, for him, he seems to be failing from one to another.
It's like everything he wants a certain reception for, it doesn't bring back the same outcome that he wants. Even when he posts the ladies, it's like, oh, just chilling with my new sweetheart, we all need love. My God, that thing gets transformed. I think Willy Paul, I think it's also something he should capitalize on in a certain way, because I'm sure if Bahati posted that, guys would be like, oh, congratulations, mtoto wa mama, things like this. But Willy Paul, he sleeps like this, oh, he's trying to be the Dan Kimathi. Paka, you wonder where people come up with such things. I think he's a star, by the way. He just needs to tune those receptions and those comments to his favor, and then he can fly with it.
I just read one from Steve Muruki. That was part of Kenyans. This is Pulse, and that's what how he responded. Watu wanajegea mama zao manyumba na watuambii hawasemi kwa social media. You just buy Samsung Edge. And, all those kind of things. So that kind of relating of guys are doing great things for the people. Your mother, maybe you bought your mother a house and stuff. You're talking about Samsung.
But is it what he does, or is it that maybe he's generated such a love-hate thing that whatever he does really comes out negative? Because just like you've mentioned, if somebody else bought their mom a Samsung S8, somebody might be, oh, how good sweet, you love your mom.
No, it's part of the culture. It's part of the industry. I mean, if you're riding high and you say, if he bought something bigger, then people would start applauding. Then he said, by this simple gift, that's a gift to the mom. I mean, it doesn't matter.
I think it works for him.
But it's good that he transformed that one into the Jack Ma kind of thing, because he was posting all the memes that were coming on with even people saying, I just cooked my mom chapati, relaxing after.
I just bought my mama a goat.
Yes.
And he sent a picture of the goat.
Yeah. But because people take publicity in their own level. The other day, Jimmy Gate was crying because they said people attacked him on social media. I think Willy Paul was just having a time. He was like, oh, okay, it's turned into this. Okay, then let's play along.
No, but I think Willy Pose, talking of Jimmy Gate, I think he's going to turn into a caricature sooner or later. What's saving him is some music.
Yes.
Kenyans don't like him. Let me also tell him this for free.
I think
Willy Pose has got some silliness, and people don't like that. So guys are just waiting. They're trying to turn him into a meme. And he'll come on this show one day and he'll be crying. I think he should chill out a bit.
No, but maybe it works.
I don't think there's anything
he gets
wrong.
the hits and the numbers.
I don't think there's anything wrong.
Willy Paul is a clown.
No.
Let me tell you, I
maybe
think
it
days
works
for Willy
for
Paul
now.
crying are over. There's a time when they broke up with Gloria Muliro and everybody was on his case. Willy Paul cried, and I don't think anything is going to break him worse than that. Yani, you should see the comments that come. Yani, Willy Paul is just posting, oh, can you sing Willy Paul song? Yani, somebody just comes up with something from Kitambo, and you can see that's a hate message. And Willy Paul will just be like, okay. He'll just post something else. I think he's so used to the bile on social media. Nothing is going to
But he did look like
a dead
Timothy. No, really. What the hell is that? And
he really looked like
Kenyans at that point. There are some small things in life. I don't know what Steve will say about this. But you don't go all the time saying, oh,